Hello and welcome to my OpenSCAD Simplified tutorial. First we need to open the program. I use the console, but you can use icons if you have them. Then we have the option to load recent files. You probably don't have any, so we click New and have a look at the user interface. The first thing is by default it opens the customizer. We just removed it. You can play around with all the menus, but for the most part we won't need that right now. This is the area where we see the 3D object we're designing. These are the axes, so you can easily orient yourself. So we have the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis or c-axis. You can also pretty much ignore most of the icons here because you can use the mouse, scroll wheel zooms, right mouse button drags, and left mouse button rotates. So it's very simple.